Sensory receptors in organisms. Did you know? The skin is your body's largest organ and contains more than 4 million sensory receptors. Sensory information processing. Input. An input is received by a sensory receptor. Processing. Information is organized, interpreted and stored, memory, by the brain. Response. An appropriate response is generated based on the input. Sensory receptor types. 3 of the main sensory receptor types in organisms are electromagnetic, mechanical and chemical. Electromagnetic receptors. Electromagnetic receptors respond to light energy. Receptors in the eye respond to light by generating electrical impulses that travel from the eye through the optic nerve to the brain. The eye contains electromagnetic receptors. Mechanical receptors. Mechanical receptors respond to touch pressure and vibration. Receptors in the skin convert mechanical pressure, touch, into electrical signals that travel to the brain. The skin contains many mechanical receptors. Chemical receptors. Chemical receptors respond to chemical changes in their environment. Receptors on the tongue convert chemical energy into electrical signals that travel to the brain. The taste buds on your tongue contain chemical receptors. Another fun fact. The most sensitive mechanical receptors in humans are the hair cells found in the inner ear. Exit ticket. Questions. What's one thing you learned from today's lesson? What's one thing you did not understand from today's lesson? What's one thing you would like to learn more about?
Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more future educational videos.